going on, y'all? Terrell with Champions Auto Detail checking in. As you can see, we got the dark horse today, 6x6 Bronco, man. And with this vehicle, we don't have to do anything to the exterior because of the way the car is wrapped. There's a different type of wrap on here, so we're just going to clean the wheels. We got the oversized wheels. I'm about to show you how to clean them. Alright, so we got this wheel cleaner, the special wheel cleaner. You know what I'm saying? This is one of a kind, 101. As you can see, I'm just gonna spray the outside of the wheel. Don't gotta spray too much. Just go fully around. And now we're gonna foam it a little bit and give it a little bit of soap on each wheel. A lot of people use different wheel brushes. I like to use just a regular microfiber towel so I can actually get inside and clean it by hand manually, which I'm not knocking the brushes, they're cool. I just prefer to use a microfiber towel to clean the face of the wheels. So as you can see, I'm gonna get all in. Not saying that a wheel brush can't do all of this. I just like to clean it by hand. Everybody got their own personal preference, and this is mine. Shout out to my boy Eli behind the lens. And now we just gonna wipe the wheel down. And you don't have to use a specific brush, just anything that has bristles on there that can get the whole wheel.